slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? I Review Stuff back here once again with a quick little review of these Jordan 4 What Does from my boy over at Tianya, or I don't even know how you pronounce it, Shoe Industry. Tianya Shoe Industry. I'm probably killing the pronunciation, but I believe it's like Chinese, so I don't expect myself to know. Anyways, but I digress. So these shoes, I believe, released a couple weeks ago, maybe 2 weeks ago, or a week ago, or something like that. So I finally got my hands on a pair, and I decided to order them from him. So we're gonna be taking a look at what the quality's like, all that sort of stuff, if there are any flaws. And yeah, that's pretty much it. These took about a week to get here via EMS to Canada. And yeah, if you're new to the channel and you don't fuck with this stuff, UA rep. It's easy as clicking off the video. If you do fuck with my videos, make sure to subscribe. Drop a like if you're a current or new viewer of mine to show some love, so smash that like button. Turn on notifications, and remember, last but not least, follow the Instagram. As always, link is in the description down below, so check that out. With all that being said, let's get into it. No more wasting time, because I'm not trying to take 10 years to do this review. Actually, before we put the shoes to the side, take a look at the box. Here is all the information that you guys need. I've had quite a few, but like three-ish pairs, I think, by now from the seller, and haven't had any issues with any of them. So I'm not gonna say I recommend buying this type of stuff, but if you want to go for the seller, it is definitely a trusted one in my books. English can be a little iffy when you're communicating with them, but bear through it. English isn't everyone's first language, so it's completely understandable, especially coming from me because my parents are immigrants, so totally understand. Anyways, let's take a look at that. So you got the website, you got the WeChat right there. If you need confirmation on any of these things, of course, hit me on my IG. I will send you the links. So the website is wuxiaoheng.x.yupo.com. So if you want to check out any of the shoes that he has for sale, that's the site to do so. WeChat is right there. WhatsApp, Instagram is at 22.97093823. And it would be Tianya Shoe Industry on the handle of the IG. Well, his IG handle is all those numbers, but his name on there is that. So, and he just posts pictures of shoes that he has for sale. It's hot as hell in here, so I gotta get through this with this review. Box, of course, just a regular Jordan 4 box. Don't expect anything crazy with these. They're a unique shoe for sure, a mix of a bunch of different retro, like nice retro colorways, like the breads, military blues, fire reds, even cements. I believe. I'm not like super into like the history of retro J's, but I do know like the classics for the most part. So there is the side. You got the Air, little hole, of course. There's a tag, Air Jordan 4 Retro SE, white / military blue, fire red. Looks correct. You got the QR code right there, RFID, suggested retail USD 200, which is correct, I believe. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the box, on the outside at least. Oh, it looks like I cut the box, shouldn't open them up. That's my bad. I didn't even notice that, man. Packaging, though, on these shoes, A1, 100% all the way, like taken. It was double boxed, bubble wrapped on the outside of the double boxing, and then when you cut through that, which is why that's cut, because I didn't expect this, bubble wrapped again, and then you finally have the shoe box. So inside you just get this regular plastic paper-ish feeling stuff. I don't even know what to call it. You get this as well, regular black pair of laces. Not sure if the retail ones come with that. There's a little size sticker right there that should be in the shoe, but for some reason it's on the inside of the box. Whatever. But yeah, nothing else besides that. So throw those two aside, and let's take a look at these kicks. Quality, I'm just gonna come out and say straight up, like the leather feels super nice. Just like the retail pair when I felt them at Foot Locker the other day. well, when they release, sorry. Just the leather is super nice on these. Like, you can just see when I'm pressing in, super buttery. So pro, definitely a pro right there, but can be a con as well. As you look over to the left shoe, where you can see just the wrinkles already before even like throwing them on. So definitely going to be one of those pairs that immediately just start creasing once you put them on your feet. So beyond that, there's not too much to talk about. Some unique details I did notice are actually on the laces. You do have 4-6 or 4363, which I don't know what that stands for. If you guys know, let me know in the comment section. 4363 again, and it is color coordinated to the shoe. So on this one it is gray and black, because the shoe is gray and black for the most part, I believe that's why. And then this one is red and blue. So yeah, pretty dope. Like, just something like out there. Kind of most J's don't have anything on the laces, or they got a Jumpman or something, so it is pretty cool to see something unique like that for sure. Otherwise, quality on the shoe is nuts, like really nice. Comparing to the retail, I personally cannot see any differences coming down to even the netting, and all that sort of stuff. No glue marks anywhere that I can see. Actually, I was in Foot Locker. It was Foot Locker. I was trying to see if it was Foot Locker or Champ. So I remember I was in Foot Locker at my local mall the other day, and some of the glue stains on the retail pairs, y'all are getting straight scammed if you're paying retail prices for case. I'm gonna just say it straight up like that. I get it if you don't want like UA stuff, but like, make sure you're looking, if you're buying retail, if you're one of those people that swear by buying retail, make sure you look at the shoes. Don't just, especially if one of the employees just bring you a pair out and you try it on, make sure you look at that specific pair and make sure that there's no glue stains all over the damn shoe. And like, it was a pair of Air Force Ones. I don't know, they had like the air like rubber right here. They had like it was like the weird Air Force One like redesigns, and you could actually see like sole separation if you peeled this like just lightly, because you're not supposed to be able to see that. Like, I get if you're pressing down, the soles might separate on some kicks, but you're not supposed to see that right off the rip, you know, just from regularly just pulling on it lightly, you know. But anyways, that was my little rant. For all y'all people that are saying there's ways to call stuff out by glue stains and stuff, really isn't, because retail shoes have it too. So here's a size tag, just so you guys can see. There you go. Got the QR code as well, Jumpman. Inside the shoe, on the left shoe, is black and red, with the red sock liner, and the right shoe is a white sock liner with black and red on the inside. And yeah, the back of the shoe got Nike Air. On the right one with cement, on this part, black Nike Air. Left shoe got the blue with the white Nike Air. Alright, so you guys can see the insole, or the outsole, sorry, different colors. Right one has the black and gray, red one has, or left shoe, well, I guess this would be the left shoe, this would be the right shoe. Right shoe has red and black and gray. So there's a good look at the outsoles. Sorry about that, I was like pointing over there where the paper is in my bed. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Right one, you got the black tag with the red Jumpman. Left one, you got the blue tag with the blue Jumpman. And this is blue on this one, of course. There you go. And this one is black, or sorry, red. And it has the red Air Jordan right there as well. So just so you guys can see the quality. That's pretty much it. Side view, you guys can check it out. Not gonna take much longer on this video though. This does come with the tag as well, I forgot to mention that. So you got the clear tag with the Nike Air. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for more, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.